Hello, welcome to 885 Park Drive right here in sunny Ben Lomond. This property is a true gem. It is absolutely turnkey and ready to move in. So if you're looking for something like this, you'll want to check it out. Let's go see. All right, here we are inside this awesome home. Again, truly ready to go. This property was built in 2001, so it has all the modern amenities. It has fire suppression system, central heat, air conditioning. We even have a Tesla Powerwall battery backup system. So for any of those power outages here in the mountains, this extra storage of energy has you covered. Which is really hard to find, if any of you VA buyers are out there, we have a Section 1 clearance on this property, so you can take advantage of that benefits that are you truly deserve. All this stuff is just one little tip of the property. Can't wait to show you some more. Let's go outside and check out the yard. All right, here we are outside of the property. Again, we've got great sun here, and we're in a quiet location. This property is not very far off the Highway 9, but yet you feel like you have a lot of peace and quiet around you. Beautiful garden beds, a lot of flowers, citrus trees. I mean, just kind of a true oasis here awaiting for you at 885 Park Drive. So reach out to me. I'm just a phone call, text, or email away. Look forward to hearing from you.